Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Techie World. Now, today let's learn about background color and background image in CSS. Now, let's understand what is this background color and background image. So guys, in CSS, we use background color to give a background color to a HTML tag. So let's say we have a div over here in our HTML file, and we want to give a background color for this div, background color, okay, not color, background color for this div. Then we can use the background color property of CSS. Now let's say we want to give a background image to this same div, we can use background image property. Okay, so now I hope you would be cleared with the definition. Now let's do a practical of this concept of a background color and background image and understand it more clearly. So friends, now I'm on my VS Code, and over here I have one HTML file and CSS file. So first let me create one boilerplate, and I'll change the title. CSS backgrounds, and after that one div inside my body, so div.div1, and one heading Techie World, and after that one more heading div1, and one more div inside my body, so div.div2, and heading div2. After that one paragraph with lorem. So guys, if you don't know what is lorem, so lorem is a set of dummy text used in HTML. So I'll save this and I'll go to the browser. So you can see I got my div1 and div2. Oh, wait a second, I didn't get the lorem words, I mean dummy words. Oh, now I'll save this, and you can see I got my lorem words, I mean dummy words. So I got my div2, div1. Okay, so guys, let's say I want to give a background color of red to my div1, and a background color for color blue to my div2. Then I can give it through background color property. So first let me select the div1 dot div1, and after that background color. So background color is, let's say, aqua. After that border 5 pixel solid red. I'll save the CSS file, and I'll link the CSS file with my HTML file. So I'll link it over here, like CSS. I'll save this and I'll go to the browser. So you can see I got a background color for my div1. So same way, let's say div2, and background color, or let's say this time we'll see background image. So guys, let's say if I want to give a background image, I can write a background image instead of color, and after that I can write URL inside this. I have to write URL inside this, and inside this URL I have to write the URL of my image. So let's say image.jpg, and I'll save this and I'll go to the browser. So you can see I got a image as background of div2, but this image over here is getting repeated. It is getting repeated 1 2 3 4 times. So I don't want it to get repeated. So what I can do, I can use a background property, that is background repeat. So no repeat. I'll save this and you can see I got it only one time. So guys, now I'll set the height of my div1. So what is this height property? I'll tell you in next video. So our next video will be on height and width property. So now don't focus on this height. I'm just setting it for 500 pixel. Okay, 500 pixel. Now I'll go to the browser and you can see I got the full image as the background. Now guys, I'll tell you one more property of background, that is background size. So you can set the size also of the background image. So let's say width will be 200 pixel, and in the same line we can write the height also, let's say 300 pixel. I'll save this and you can see my height and width are changed. Now I'll tell you one more property, that is background position. So guys, using the background position property, we can change the position of the image of the background. So let's say background position, and over here the x-axis, so let's say top, or we can write the values also over here. Let's say instead of writing the sides, we can write the values like this: 30 pixel and 40 pixel from the y-axis. So this 30 pixel over here tells the x-axis, and this 40 pixel over here tells the y-axis. So I'll save this and I'll go to the browser. So you can see 30 pixel and 40 pixel. So let's say I increase the y-axis, and you can see 100 pixel. Now guys, I can do one thing to make it in center, make the image come in center. So I can write center 2 times. So from x-axis also center and y-axis also center. So the image will come into center. So guys, now I hope you'd have understood about the background property, background position, setting the position of the background, and background size and background repeat. So guys, I'll meet you next video with some new CSS topic. So till then, be connected. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.